up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to save tons of money on getting eyelash extensions individually. So this is a beginner friendly video. If you pay a lot of money on getting eyelash extensions and you're tired of paying for it, do it yourself. This is DIY. So here are the things you're going to need. Any type of individual lashes. So I have some that's like short, some that is medium, just different styles. So whichever ones you choose to buy, as long as they're some sort of look like this, like some sort of individual. I got these from the beauty supply store. And then I'm gonna use this glue, and you're gonna need the back of anything like plastic wise. So if you have eyelash like strips or a piece of paper, not paper, if you have a piece of like clear plastic, something, you can use that, or a mirror, anything where you can take a dab of this and make like a circle so that you can dip back in. And of course, tweezers and a mirror. So let's get started. This is like strong, but anyway, this is the glue. I opened it up, so I'm just gonna take a tab of this and dab it like on the back. Just make sure it's clean, and dab like a bit of this on top of here. I normally don't put too much because you're gonna need it's gonna dry up if you know, the longer you take to do them. So a little dab like that. Set that aside and close your glue back up, and then let's get started. So you want to kind of grab them with the tweezers. I don't know if you can see, with them like with the wispies one way and a little dot in the end like this. So what you're gonna do is now take your tweezers with the one piece of eyelash on it, and you're just gonna dip it in the glue, just a little butt of it, like so. So you can see that, you see how it's glue on it. So you just dab it in, take it out. What I do is take mine, flare for like 2 or 3 times, and then get started while putting them on the eyelash line. So there's one side. It was hard. Like, it's taking forever to like focus and do whatever, and then I'm trying to look at, you know, the vlog or whatnot. But it's taking a minute, but it actually is coming out so good that I like love it. I like the more natural look. I don't like to be like blink blink blink. I mean, so if you like that, of course keep putting them on, but I don't like thick ones. So I think after this I probably end up maybe curling them or adding like 2 or 3 more to like the outskirts of this one. But I'm gonna finish up the other side and come back. So I'm just about done with this side now. Y'all, this is like easy smeezy. Like, I'm gonna add some to these tails. All right, so this is how I'm looking right now. Ew. And they look like they literally coming out of my eyes, like. And it was done by myself, so, you know, save the good what. I don't know if they're charging nowadays for this, like $80 and refills and all that goodness. But if you can do it yourself and you can maintain it or have somebody to help you do it, it is not hard. It's not hard at all. So just try and do it yourself. I need to wash my hair. That's why I keep touching it. It's all greasy and half. Don't mind that. We here for the eyelashes. So yeah. So that's that. And then after that, you can go ahead and beat your good old face. Put all that on, honey. Or you can walk out natural. And then that's it. So thank you guys for watching. That's the final look. Let's get it. Let's go.